Stop waiting to feel ready to speak English, because fluency doesn't start in a classroom. It starts with one simple question. What if you could improve your English speaking skills every single day, without grammar stress, without a teacher, and without memorizing boring rules? In today's story, you'll discover a powerful daily habit that helps real learners think in English, speak naturally, and build confidence step by step, using only your voice in a few minutes a day. Stay with me, because by the end of this story, you won't just learn English, you'll actually start speaking it. Today, I will teach you one of the most powerful and easiest daily English habits for improving English speaking skills. No teacher, no grammar books, just you, one question, and your voice. It's called the question of the day habit. If you do it every day, your English conversation skills will start to flow naturally. So in this episode, I will first explain what this habit is all about, and then we will practice together. Let's begin. All right, the question of the day is exactly what it sounds like. Each day, you choose one simple question. You ask the question to yourself, and then you answer it out loud to practice speaking English. That's it. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a class. You don't even need grammar books. This is the best way to learn English without a teacher. You just need your voice. One question, one answer. And don't worry, we will practice this self-study English method together. If you do this every day, your brain will start to think in English. You will feel more confident when speaking. You'll speak faster and you will reduce English mistakes. You will become more natural. This is a very small daily habit, but the results for your English fluency are big. Okay, so here is why it works. First, you practice thinking in the language. Second, you practice forming real sentences for better English sentence structure. Third, you get used to your own English voice. And fourth, you don't need anyone else. Speaking English confidently doesn't mean knowing everything. It means being able to say something without panic. Okay? Without stress. Every day when you answer a new question, you train that skill. The more you do it, the easier your English pronunciation gets. Now, let me show you the steps, and then we will practice together. Step 1, choose a question. Start with a very simple question, something about your life, something you already know how to answer. Step 2, say the question out loud. Yes, say it. Don't just think it. This is crucial for oral English practice. Step 3, answer the question out loud in full sentences. Use the words, don't worry about mistakes. Step 4, say your answer again. Try to say it better. Try to add a new English vocabulary word or fix the grammar. Repeat it once or twice and that's it. This takes only 5 to 10 minutes, but it's very powerful. Now let me show you how it works with lots of examples. Okay, so the question is, what did you eat for breakfast? Say it with me. What did you eat for breakfast? Good. Now I will answer, I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Now you repeat, I ate eggs and toast for breakfast. Okay, I drank some tea too. I drank some tea too. Perfect. Now let me say it again. This morning I had 2 eggs, toast with butter, and a cup of hot tea. Okay, so I added some new words to expand English vocabulary. Now you try. What did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for breakfast? Say your answer out loud. I give you 10 seconds. Great. You just spoke English. Simple, real, and useful. Here is another example to help you describe your daily routine in English. What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Say the question with me. What are you doing today? Great. Now here is my answer. Today I'm recording this podcast. After that, I will go for a walk. Then I will cook lunch. I'm making rice and chicken. I'm making rice and chicken. Okay, so now you try. What are you doing today? I give you 20 seconds to answer the question. What are you doing today? Nice job. Try saying more. Today I will go to work. I have a meeting. Today is Saturday. I want to relax. I want to have fun. Okay, great. Here is another example regarding English words for emotions. How are you feeling? Say it with me. How are you feeling now? Now here is my answer. I'm feeling good. I had a good night's sleep. I'm feeling good. I had a good night's sleep. I'm excited to record this podcast. I'm excited to record this podcast. Now your turn. How are you feeling today? Say the question with me. How are you feeling today? Okay, be honest and speak slowly. I give you 20 seconds. Well done. You can say I'm feeling tired. I'm happy today. or I feel a little sick, or I feel nervous about my exam. Now let's do another question together to practice intermediate English speaking. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? Let's say it slowly. What do you do on weekends? Now say it out loud. What do you do on weekends? Okay, let me answer. This is my basic, simple answer. I relax. I relax. That's a good start, but now let's make it longer. Let me add more details. On weekends, I usually relax. I watch movies, and I cook food. Now, even a better answer would be something like this. On Saturdays, I like to relax at home in New York. I often watch a movie in English. On Sundays, I go shopping and clean my room. You see, step by step, we start from one word, relax, okay? And then we move on to a full answer. Now it's your turn. What do you do on weekends? Say your answer out loud. I give you 20 seconds. Great job. The more you say, the more you learn. You just need to practice to achieve English speaking success. Now let's do one more together. What is your favorite place? What is your favorite place? Let's say it together. What is your favorite place? Now you say it. What is your favorite place? Okay, now I'll answer. My favorite place is the beach. My favorite place is the beach. Now I should explain why. My favorite place is the beach because I love the sound of the waves. I feel relaxed when I sit near the water. Now even a longer sentence would be something like this. My favorite place is a quiet beach near my city in California. I go there in the summer. I like to walk on the sand and listen to music. It helps me think and feel calm. Now you try. What is your favorite place? I give you 20 seconds to answer. Perfect. Maybe you could say, my favorite place is my bedroom. It's quiet and I can read there. Or I love the library. I go there to study, or the park is my favorite place. I walk my dog there now. Now speak your answer again. I give you 15 seconds. Try to add more. Try to add feelings and details. Okay, so now you know how it works. Let's make this habit easier and more fun with some English fluency tips. Tip number 1, keep a list of questions. Make your own notebook. Write one question for each day. Here are some examples of simple English conversation topics. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? What is one thing you want to learn? What is one thing you want to learn? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Tip number 2, repeat your answer 2 or 3 times. The first time is just practice. The second time is better. You add more details. The third time is stronger. Tip number 4, record your voice in English. Use your phone, record your answer, listen to it, and tomorrow do it again. You will hear your progress. All right, now I'll ask you 10 questions of the day, and you will answer each one. Take your time, say your answers out loud. You can pause the video. What time did you wake up today? What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you want to do this weekend? Who is your favorite person in your family? What kind of music do you like? Do you prefer tea or coffee? Why? What did you do yesterday evening? What is one thing you are good at? What's the weather like today? What are you learning right now? That's great. You just answered 10 full questions in English. This is how to become fluent in English. This habit, the question of the day, is small, but it's life-changing. You don't need a classroom. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need 5 to 10 minutes in your voice every day. One question, one answer, and one small step forward. Do it for 30 days and you will be surprised at how much better you sound, how much easier it feels, and how proud you will be of your English speaking improvement. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Next Speak and I'm Mike, and I'm proud of you. You are building your English step by step. One day, one question, one answer. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. And hey, one final question of the day, just for you. Did you hit that like button and subscribe yet? Go ahead, practice saying yes by clicking them right now. It's the only homework I promise not to grade. Bye for now.